While you can't completely navigate computer slowdown as it pertains to age, you can do a few things to speed up your computer's processing speed and startup time. And if you want to know more about this, make sure to keep watching on this video. So firstly, try disabling startup programs. Do it by opening Task Manager, select the Startup tab, find the process you wish to disable, right-click on it, then select Disable. Now you have to repeat this process for all relevant programs. Now if you're unsure of which program to disable, you should disable any high or medium rated programs. After this, open the Hidden Icons menu on your taskbar, review it, and end the process that is using your background process. Next, enable Fast Startup. To do that, open Control Panel, go to Power Options, click on Choose what the power buttons do, select Change Settings that are currently unavailable, then scroll down again to Shutdown Settings, and check the Turn on Fast Startup option. After these, click on Save Changes. For your last option, turn off visual effects. Do that by opening Settings, click Accessibility, click Vision, choose Visual Effects, then click the switch for animation effects to turn it off. Now this will disable the extra animations that take up a good amount of memory. So that's how you can speed up or slow down a Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.